The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dance Killer! Viewers and subscribers, me want to be very cautious when you dey on the road. You get me? Be very cautious. Open your eyes, look, listen to. You see me I say? Them but even try to get distracted because you just see what happened a while ago. Right? 2 trucker race. Right? That is even if the other truck man a race. You see me I say? Because for some reason you have some persons where it's like no vehicle nothing there in front of them. And it no matter where them a drive. You see me I say? It's like him decides that him have the in front of you at all times. So no matter how you say alright, give him the way and him gone. And him go and see another vehicle in front of him. Him have to go around a vehicle despite the fact that the vehicle him a drive is a big unit. See me? I remember this, you know. Some of these cars and vehicles up on the road with this type of speed and so what they have, you know. Jamaica road is not built for some of them speed yeah, where them a go up on, where them a road there, man. Remember, you know, the man them a take the little secondary road them. I turn them in a highway, you know, brother. You see me? Look on what happened right here, so. Just take a look on what happened. If these 2 vehicles come at the same time when he might go around and overtake the man in a corner, you know. Right? And when he overtake the man in the corner, him almost turn over too, if you notice, you know, because if you look on the ground, you see some of the thing we might carry. Because I load the truck that, you know, load, you know. We're not sure if a sand or a gravel that, you know, but the point is, it no matter if a sand or a gravel, it load, right? So somebody dash up on the ground, you see me? Almost overturned, the back wheel look like it all cock up in the air so while I go around the corner. Right? And it's so bad that innocent people, a driver come and the man them have to pull over in a corner. You see me? These things when they do on the road, they put people's life at risk. You understand me? I don't care how you try to show them what going on and you make them realize it's like, you know, them still do it. I don't know why. So, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so you can take a look and see what go on. They see these are one of the type of dangers we're out there on the road, you see me? And it's not only this truck driver, and it's not only say truck driver do these things. Carman, taxi man, bike man, all type of person do some risky drivings at time, you see me? And then if police pull them over, if give them a ticket now, then they will start to say all kind of things. So the police officers is this and that, because look at what you're doing right now. 2 cars have to pull over and you're overtaking in a corner at that, right? Overtaking the corner with only the truck on as a way of saying, look, somebody are come around the corner. And these persons who are driving car never expect that, I tell you. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you know, if you never know, me just make you know, go upset this can make whosoever, you know, look at this, you know, take heed and just keep your eyes open. So me I say, and not only for those who want to keep protected like the innocent, too, I want the persons them who do the reckless driving, I want to stop the reckless driving because it will put people's life in a danger, you understand? So that, not only say me I show people say aware, I want all drivers we are do reckless driving and cut it out because the road fatality is no different. You see me, from somebody hurting somebody. You see me I say? Yeah. Alright? It's the same thing. The 2 of them bad. Alright? So please, you know, take time on the road, man. You see me? You must reach, no care how slow you go. So take your time on the road. Alright? Well, anyways, I don't know. Just let me know what you think about something like this. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dance Killer. I want to big up on yourself. I want to drive safely.